Hi guys! Okay, hopefully you found this video in your near pod. Okay, so today basically we're talking about greetings. And we're going to go over this tomorrow and Friday too. Well, actually tomorrow's Friday. So we're going to go over it tomorrow too. Basically, the first thing you got to know is how to say hi. So the first thing you do is you say hola. That's pretty easy, right? I think we can all do that. If you want to try it, go ahead. Hola. So you're going to see the word hola right here where my little mousy guy is. Now you see how it has an H. You don't say the H. You do not say the H. So it's not hola, just hola. Okay? Super simple. So hola is hello. Really easy. Okay, let's say I just walked downstairs and I want to say good morning. Buenos dias. Okay? Buenos dias. Good morning. Really easy. Now if I want to say good night, it's buenas noches. It's right here. Buenas tardes is good afternoon. So I know this is going to sound a little weird and maybe a little silly. But what I want you to do, and I know we're not really together, is I'm going to say it and then I want you to repeat it, okay? So buenos dias. I'm going to assume you actually said it. Buenas noches. Buenas tardes. Hola. Good. That's all of the hellos and greetings you're going to need to say hi. Cool? All right, so let's say I just met my friend, Sammy the Spanish guy. He's right here. Where is he? This is Sammy the Spanish guy. And I just met him. And I need to know how to say hi. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say, hola. And then Sammy's going to be like, hola, or buenos dias. And then to Sammy, I'm going to say, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás is right here. How are you? Right? Easy. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hello, how are you? Sammy's probably going to be like, oh, muy bien, which means very well. I'm so great. I'm so good. And then he's probably going to say, y tú, which means and you. So I'm going to be like, yo, Sammy, muy bien. I'm also super good. And he's going to be like, cool, see you later. So he's going to say hasta luego, which means see you later. And I'm going to be like, hasta luego, Sammy the Spanish guy. All right, that was a little cheesy. I'm sorry. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to repeat after me. Okay? Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Good. If you want to say something a little less formal, you can say ¿qué pasa? Or ¿qué tal? Which is what's happening, in an informal way of saying, how are you? It's basically like saying, what's up, you know? So you can say ¿cómo estás? You can say ¿qué pasa? You can say ¿qué tal? You can say any of those to say how are you, and someone will know what you're talking about. So some other ways to respond. Say you don't want to say muy bien. You're like, dude, I'm not good. Muy mal. Muy mal. I'm so bad. Life sucks. I had to wake up and listen to this weird lady talking at me over a computer. Cool? You can also say nada, like nothing's up. Cool? Here's something else. If you want to just say goodbye, adios. Adios. Goodbye. See you later. Okay, but wait, did we even talk about what I would do if I didn't know Sammy's name? All right, let's say I don't know Sammy's name, right? He's just this random guy I met on the street. Don't talk to strangers though. And I'm like, hola. And Sammy's like, ¿cómo estás? And we say, muy bien. ¿Y tú? Muy mal. And I'm like, wait, Sammy, ¿cómo te llamas? What is your name, dude? ¿Cómo te llamas? Right here. This is what is your name. Can we try that? ¿Cómo te llamas? Okay. So if you said the two L's, which I know someone had to, I want you to pretend this is a Y. So double L's sound like a Y. ¿Cómo te llamas? Good. And then to say my name is, I would say me llamo Miss Aldana. And Sammy would be like, me llamo Sammy. And then after that, what do? We're not just like, okay, bye, adios. I'm going to be like, Sammy, mucho gusto. It's nice to meet you. And Sammy's going to say, igualmente, likewise. Okay, and then let's say Sammy, I'm like, Sammy, I gotta be somewhere. What time is it? I'm gonna say, Sammy, ¿qué hora es? And Sammy's gonna be like, es la una. It's 1 o'clock. Okay? And what if Sammy is like, lady, like it's not 1 o'clock? He could say, es la dos. Okay? And we're gonna get into time later, but I just want you to do basic greetings. So we know this was fast. You might have to watch it twice. But the main things I want you to remember are, hola, hi. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Cómo te llamas? What is your name? Cool? Cool.